In today's video, I'm going to show you Rovsun 25lbs portable washing machine review. Meet the Rovsun 25lbs portable washing machine, a full automatic compact washer made for apartments, dorms, RVs, and anyone tired of carrying laundry baskets like they are training for a strongman competition. It is listed as a 25 pounds, 2.3 cu FT top load washer with a stainless steel drum and built-in drain pump. On paper, this little laundry box is more capable than it looks. Lowe's lists 10 customized washing modes, 5 adjustable water levels, a child safety lock, self-cleaning tub, and a quick cycle around 26 minutes. Translation: it is not just a plastic bucket with dreams, it actually tries to behave like a real washer, just smaller and easier to squeeze into tight spaces. Now, user feedback is positive but still a little limited depending on the seller. Walmart review snippets for Rovsun portable washer listings include buyers saying the machine worked extremely well, handled full loads, and was not extremely heavy, though one buyer needed a different sink adapter. That is portable washer life. It works, but first your faucet may demand a side quest.
Please, no! No!
But hold up, wait a minute. Something ain't perfect. This is called a washer and spin dryer combo, but do not expect fluffy, warm, bone-dry clothes like a full heated dryer. The dryer part is mainly spin drying, meaning clothes come out damp and still need hanging. Also, manuals list the unit around 22.5x, 22.3x, 36 inches, 110V, and 400W. So, measure first before your bathroom becomes a laundry obstacle course. Final verdict: the Rovsun 25lbs portable washing machine is a strong pick if you want a compact automatic washer with real capacity, useful cycles, and apartment-friendly convenience. But check your faucet adapter, drainage setup, floor space, and return policy. Great for small homes? Yes. Magic Laundry Fairy? Sadly, no. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.